Hello, if you wish to have Apple Keyboard on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, then what you need to do is go to the Play Store and we're gonna download an app that provides a keyboard that pretty much looks and works like the one on Apple products such as iPhones and iPads and so on and so forth. So the name of this app is the Green Apple Keyboard. There we go. This is the app that we need to download. So once you find it, you need to simply press install, and let's wait a couple of seconds for the app to be downloaded and installed on the device. Once it is done, press open. First, we need to enable the keyboard in the settings, so press enable in settings, and then over here you want to tap on this off text in order to turn on the keyboard. Then let's press OK. Let's go back. Now we need to switch input methods, so let's press this text. And we need to switch to our Green Apple keyboard so that it will be used as a default keyboard. And there we go, we are now finished. We can press finished text. Then we will move to the customization options. You can go through them if you wish to, but of course it is not really necessary to do so. And that is pretty much it. Now if we open the keyboard, as you can see, it looks pretty much as the one on Apple devices. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.